untapped opportunity beneath the water. Across Africa, a quiet opportunity is growing beneath the surface, literally. While many people focus on land-based agriculture, a powerful business is expanding in ponds, tanks, and waterways across the continent. Fish farming. From local markets to large cities, the demand for fresh fish continues to rise every year. Families rely on fish as an affordable source of protein, restaurants serve it daily, and traders are constantly searching for reliable suppliers. Yet, despite this demand, many regions still face a shortage of locally produced fish. This gap has created one of the most exciting opportunities in modern agriculture. In today's video, you will discover how fish farming works and how beginners can start building a profitable aquaculture business in Africa. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to First Post Africa Farm. This channel is dedicated to sharing practical farming knowledge, agribusiness ideas, and modern agriculture strategies across Africa. If you are serious about building income through farming, subscribing will help you stay ahead. Now, let's dive into this powerful opportunity beneath the water. What is fish farming? Fish farming, also known as aquaculture, involves raising fish in controlled environments, such as ponds, tanks, or cages. Instead of relying on natural fishing, farmers grow fish under managed conditions, allowing them to control feeding, growth, and harvesting. This makes fish farming more predictable and reliable compared to traditional fishing. Farmers can choose different types of fish depending on their environment and market demand. Two of the most common species in Africa include tilapia, catfish. These fish grow relatively fast, adapt well to local conditions, and are widely accepted in markets. Fish farming can be practiced on small or large scales, making it suitable for beginners as well as experienced farmers. Why fish farming is profitable in Africa? Several factors make aquaculture an attractive business. First, fish consumption continues to increase as populations grow. Urban areas, in particular, require large quantities of fish every day. Second, natural fish supplies from rivers and oceans are declining in many areas, creating a supply gap that fish farmers can fill. Third, fish farming allows for controlled production. Farmers can manage feeding, water quality, and harvesting schedules. Fourth, fish grow relatively quickly under proper conditions, allowing farmers to generate income within a few months. Finally, fish farming can be combined with other agricultural activities, creating multiple income streams. These advantages make aquaculture one of the fastest-growing agricultural sectors in Africa. Choosing the right fish species. Selecting the right fish species is one of the most important decisions. Different species have different growth rates, feeding requirements, and market demand. Tilapia is popular because it grows quickly and adapts easily to various environments. It is widely consumed and easy to sell. Catfish is also highly valued due to its fast growth and strong market demand. Farmers should choose species that thrive in their local climate and have strong demand in nearby markets. Buying healthy fingerlings, young fish, from reliable hatcheries ensures better survival rates and faster growth. Starting with good quality fish stock increases the chances of success. Setting up your fish farm. Fish farming requires a suitable environment where fish can grow safely. Farmers can choose between earthen ponds, concrete tanks, plastic or lined ponds. The choice depends on available resources, budget, and location. Ponds should be constructed in areas with access to clean water. Water quality is critical for fish survival and growth. The size of the pond depends on how many fish you plan to raise. Beginners are encouraged to start small and expand gradually. Proper drainage systems should be included to allow easy water replacement when necessary. A well-designed fish farm creates a stable environment for healthy growth. Feeding fish for maximum growth. Feeding plays a major role in fish farming success. Fish require balanced diets that provide proteins, energy, and essential nutrients. Commercial fish feed is commonly used because it is formulated to support rapid growth. Farmers should feed fish regularly, usually once or twice daily, depending on the species and age. Overfeeding should be avoided because it can pollute the water and harm fish health. Underfeeding, on the other hand, slows growth and reduces productivity. Clean water is equally important. Fish rely on oxygen in water, so maintaining good water quality is essential. Proper feeding practices lead to faster growth and higher yields. Water management and fish health. Water quality determines the success of a fish farm. Farmers must monitor oxygen levels, water temperature, cleanliness. Poor water conditions can stress fish and lead to disease. Regular water changes help maintain a healthy environment. Farmers should observe fish behavior daily. Signs such as slow movement, unusual swimming, or reduced feeding may indicate problems. Healthy fish are active and feed regularly. Maintaining proper water conditions reduces the risk of disease and improves overall productivity. Common mistakes beginners make. Many new fish farmers encounter challenges due to avoidable mistakes. One common mistake is overcrowding fish in small ponds. This reduces oxygen levels and slows growth. Another issue is poor feeding management. Using low-quality feed or feeding incorrectly affects fish development. Ignoring water quality is also a major problem. Dirty or stagnant water can quickly harm fish. Some beginners start without understanding market demand, making it difficult to sell their harvest. The best approach is to start small, learn the process, and improve gradually. Harvesting and selling fish. Fish are usually ready for harvest after several months, depending on the species and feeding practices. Farmers can harvest all fish at once or sell them gradually depending on market demand. Fish can be sold to local markets, restaurants, hotels, fish traders. Building relationships with buyers ensures consistent sales. Some farmers also process fish by smoking or freezing to increase value and extend shelf life. A well-managed fish farm can provide steady income throughout the year. Fish farming represents one of the most promising agricultural opportunities in Africa today. With increasing demand, limited natural supply, and growing urban populations, aquaculture offers a practical solution for food production and income generation. By choosing the right species, maintaining good water quality, and practicing proper feeding, beginners can build successful fish farming businesses. Like any agricultural venture, success requires patience, learning, and consistent effort. However, the rewards can be significant for those willing to invest time and dedication. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about profitable farming opportunities across Africa, make sure you subscribe to First Post Africa Farm right now. This channel is your source for modern agriculture knowledge, livestock farming strategies, and agribusiness ideas that can help you build real income. Also tell us in the comments, are you interested in starting fish farming, or are you already involved in aquaculture? Your journey into farming starts with knowledge, and you are already on the right path. Stay connected, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.